How to add Vanilla Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. So let's get started. So first thing, as you most of you know that whenever you try to just directly add the card from your Apple card, Apple Wallet itself, you cannot directly add any external cards such as Vanilla Visa gift card, which is a gift card in particular to Apple Wallet. So in that case, first thing, just head over to your Apple Store and simply download this application that is passed to your wallet, which lets you add a store card, and simply open it once you successfully download it. And from over here, just click on this plus icon from over here and select this apply or pass template. And you should be getting this option to apply for any of these option over here. So I'll simply choose searching for vanilla. So as you can see, when I'm searching for Vanilla Visa gift card, I'll simply tap on this, which has over more than 4,000 downloads, and simply customize it according to your choice, just like this. So let me just quickly show you, and click on confirm, and you just have to enter your card number, virtual card number, as well as your CVV number. Click on done, click on confirm, and simply click on done at the top, and just like that, you'll get this option that is add, and click on it. And once you add, you should be successfully adding your Vanilla Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet. So whenever you come back to your Apple Wallet, you shall see your Vanilla Visa gift card being added to your Apple Wallet. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe.